Wearing jersey number 30, John Lawrence Supenia. Wearing jersey number 7, Yuka Riza. Wearing jersey number 24, Romel Jimeno. And of course, our next player is Bahaus Pogba. He is Indoscope 2024 Timoking champion, RSTVP 2023 champion, St. Robert's team, Chairman's Cup 17 under, second runner-up, Team San Jose Antique, Intertown 17 under, Team Savannah champion, and TSBL first runner-up, Team San Jose. Ladies and gentlemen, Bahaus point guard wearing jersey number 5, Kenji Paro. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to feel the ground shake, because tonight the fame belongs to one man, the boards belong to one man, and every inch of that rim belongs to him. He is a roll on defense, a storm in the post, and a nightmare for everyone who dares to drive inside. When he steps into the floor, he commands respect. When he rises for the block, time seems to freeze. And when he shoots it down, the court erupts. From the first whistle to the final buzzer, he brings power, precision, and passion to every single play. You know his name, you've seen his game. His career highlight, he is 2017 freestyle champion, 2018 Chairman's Cup MVP, 2019 freestyle champion, 2019 integrated champion, 2021 JVABL season MVP, a former player of National University Bullpups, 2023 UBL Mythical 5, 2023 UAAP third runner-up MU Bullpups, 2024 Isang Pinoy runner-up New Zealand, 2024 JMQ Panayki Marasan Mythical 5, 2024 Maasin Intertown runner-up, 2024 Maasin Intertown Mythical 5, 2024 Inter-Utol New Zealand Mythical 5, and Finals MVP 2023 to 2024 champion in multiple NZ leagues playing for team. From the port of the Philippines to the leagues of New Zealand, he has proven time and again that greatness is earned through passion, discipline, and a heart till it makes some noise for the enforcer of the pain, the monster on the glass, the powerhouse, standing tall, standing proud, the heartbeat of Barangay Bahaw, your unstoppable force of nature, wearing jersey number 19, Agapito Larito Jr. And now, and of course, we